Hello to Sean Smith. Let's see. Sean Smith, what time is it there? At 10 in the morning? Have you taken your breakfast? That's great. That's good to know. Thank you for the like, guys. Thank you. Don't you have work today? Oh, good for you. Oh, I forgot. It's Easter Sunday. Happy Easter to you too. How many Easter eggs did you find? It's good to hear. Excuse me. Yeah, me too. Thank you for always being there. How's the weather there, by the way? Here in the Philippines, it's hot. Summer here. Right. It's sunny, but it's not hot there, right? Well, technically, right now, uh, it's not anymore sunny here because it's like 10 in the evening. 10 in the evening. Hello, Ate Dada. Ate Dada is here. I'm glad that you two are getting along. Ate Dada, Sean Smith is asking you, how are you? Are you doing great? Or yeah, me too. I think so too. Hello everyone. Hello Kuya from Nida Sari. Hello, Mommy Need. Hi Nida from Sean Smith. From Nida Carey. Hello Sean. Yeah. If you're not yet friends, please go to each other's channels. This pimple just won't leave me. This pimple just won't leave me alone. Keeps bugging me. Capilio, yeah. Pops, yes. Hello po sa iyo dyan. Cathy's Vlog. Yes. Pa-shout out po, Cathy's Vlog. Cathy's Vlog is in the house, so if you're not yet friends, please go to her house, including Capilios. John Smith said, "Hi, Ka." Cathy's Vlog said, "Thanks po. No problem. No worries." Oh. My God. My phone is now 30%. I need to connect my Cathy's Vlog. How are you? Sino bang hindi mo pa friends dito, Cathy? Katapos ko lang kumain. Mabuti naman that you're fine. It's good to hear. I'm new beginner. Yeah, if you're not yet friends with Cathy's Vlog, marami din ito siyang mga vlogs here. Sean, if you're not yet friends with Cathy's Vlog, go to her house. Cathy, puntahan mo na rin din si Sean Smith. Capilio din. Kung hindi pa ninyo kapitbahay, ito si Capilio. I'm here, Chris Joy. Yeah, Sean, if you're not yet friends with Cathy's Vlog, please visit her house, okay? Same to you, Cathy. If you're not yet friends with Sean Smith, I need to speak English here because Sean is not from here in the Philippines. He doesn't understand our language. Kathy's vlog said Don Smith. Yes. Let's keep friending everyone here. Thank you to our 7,000 viewers. Joking, it's just 7 viewers. And to our 5 likes. Thank you. Okay, thank you for the hi host and everyone. Hello. Hello Edna Patigayon. Thank you. I'm Sean Smith. Hi Edna. I believe you're already friends. I'm not sure. Oh, Doc Lloydie is in the house. Good evening, guys. Hello, bro. Hello din sa'yo, Doc Lloydie Ben. I just finished eating. Let me just put that aside. Kathy's vlog. Hi daw, sabi ni Doc Lloydie Ben. If you're not yet friends with Doc Lloydie Ben, then Kathy's vlog, go to her. His channel. Leave the comment, okay? Capilio, hi bro, from Doc Lloydie Ben. Guys, if you're not yet friends, please visit each other's channels. GB Mix Vlogs. Host, I miss you. Gets muna. Okay. Gets ko na yun. Bisitahin kita mamaya after ng LS ko. GB Mix Vlogs is in the house. Boss Aldin is in the house. Hi, Boss Aldin. Thank you for dropping by. From Sean Smith. I'm good, Doc. Thank you sa mga pa-thumbs up nyo, guys. Really appreciate it. Ang wapo, bagong tahal. Patupi kay nanay trabaho. Kinanglan sa trabaho. Doc Lloydie Ben, hello from Kuya Aldin. Kathy's vlog says, hi Doc Lloydie Ben. Hi Al from Sean Smith. Hindi nyo pa friends in each other, please visit each other's channels. From Doc Lloydie Ben, hello Boss Aldin. Nahakos sa imo buhok paggupit ka while vlogging. next time. Doc Lloydie Ben says, hello everyone. Sean Smith says, how are you, Doc? Sorry guys, medyo lang na-busy sa school. Final examination week po kasi namin. Okay. Nakapag-study ka na ba, Doc Lloydie Ben? Good luck sa exam nyo. I'm fine, Sean. Sir Sean from Doc Lloydie Ben. I saw your blog, Kaon Ka Vegetable. Yeah. I eat vegetable. Tagadiin ka, Kathy. Doc Lloydie Ben says, now studying. Thanks. Silent viewer lang ako. Okay, no problem. Thanks. That's good, Doc. And Sean Smith. Taga Zamboanga. Nakaadto ko sa Zamboanga katong ano sa'y tawag ato katong restaurant din ha. Nakalimot ko sa name. I forgot the name of the restaurant. Katong na ay crab. Astang daghana sad nga ra og kuan bitaw. Pag-visit na ko din dagan kayog checkpoint sa Zamboanga. Oh, yan, that one. Alavar Restaurant. Then napakoy giadtuan unsa to nga mall. I forgot the mall. Then naasay park and camp. Daghan ko na The thing is wala na ko naadtuan ang Pink Sand Beach. Wasn't able to go there. KZZ Mall, yes, that one. GB Mix Vlogs, Doc Lloydie Ben, full watch ko yung latest video. Tapos na yung lahat, bro. Yes, very good. GB Mix Vlogs already watched your videos. Thank you so much. Thank you sa ato ang 9,000 viewers. Uy, 10,000 viewers na. 10,000. Actually, it's just 10 viewers. Thanks bro, GB Mix Vlogs. Sunod lang ako bro, sabi ni Doc Lloyd Ben. Done my thumbs up. Yes, thank you GB Mix Vlogs. Thank you so much. Uy, nahimo lamang 7,000. Guys, you can ask me anything. From Boss Aldi, asa ka gikan? Nangita kog trabaho. So, nakakita na kog trabaho. Muna nagpa-haircut. Bagong tahal. From Doc Lloyd Ben. Ma'am Kathy, nasipa na rin po kita. At ikaw rin po, GB Mix Vlogs. Yes, nagsipaan na sila. Sipa one another, guys. From Vanji TV. Hello. Hello, Auntie. Kathy's vlog, Dundalk and Aldine. Yes. Now don't forget to leave a comment below all about the video. Just all about the video. Don't add anything else. Anything else. Basta may comment na yun doon, it's already known. If you already wrote your comment, the owner of the channel already knows what he or she needs to do. Host blooming lagi ka. Blue nga miming. Blue nga miming. Blooming ka karon. Boss Aldin, dili ko blooming kay kung blooming pa ko nawaragod na naman gani ko'y pimple. GB Mix Vlogs. Okay. Aldin, host at yung iba pa dito. Baka gusto niyo sumali sa raffle ko, sponsored by. Sure. Sure, sasali kami dyan. Yung video ko na nasa Swiss Hotel ako. Sige, pupunta kami dyan sa... Okay, fine. I'm done watching you. I'll do that. Okay, thank you, Kathy. Kathy's vlog. From from Boss Aldin, noted. GB Mix Vlogs, noted na daw. Puntahan ka na daw niya. Ang daming, napapansin ko, ang daming nagpaparaffle ngayon. Hindi ako pwede magparaffle. I need cash. Sasali na lang ako sa raffle. Puntahan namin yung paraffle ni GB Mix Vlog. From Kathy's Vlog. Okay, Mom. GB Mix Vlog. Not sure, but I think GB Mix Vlogs is supposedly a sir, not a mom. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. I am becoming is here. Hello. Yes, thank you for coming by. For those who are new to the channel, makikain sana ako. Ayun. Makikikain daw si I am becoming katapos ko lang kumain, naubos na. Natapos ko na yung kinakain ko. Sorry po. Dark side, I sub T. Okay. I late na pala ako from I am becoming. Dark side is in the house too. If you're not yet friends with Dark side, please add him. Please. These guys. Let's just support one another here. Thank you to our 8 viewers who stayed with me. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to throw them to me. I'll try to answer them if I can. I'll just tell you if I can't answer it. I am becoming sad. May 8 million viewers ka. 1,000 nga lang sinasabi ko kanina, ngayon ginagawa mong million. Sabi ko kanina meron akong 10,000 sa viewers. Ayun sinasabi mo, million talaga. Nahiya ako bigla. I'll get water first. Laika Lorena, hello, new to your channel, done hug you. Thank you, Laika Lorena. Those who are new to this channel, those who are not yet friends also with the other viewers here, please go to their channels, hit the subscribe button, leave comments. Please make sure to watch at least 2 to 3 minutes of their videos. Okay. And make sure also that your comment will count. Don't leave spam comments. All right. I am becoming is asking, nasa Manila ka ba, bro? No, I'm in Cebu. Bisaya ko, Bisaya. I am Cebuano. Bisdak daay ka. Oh, kaayo. Ako sa IT Park karon. Your English is very good. Thank you. No accent at all. No accent. Yeah. I have a neutral accent. I don't want to speak also. I don't want to speak the English language with an accent. Ano work mo dyan? I'm a nurse. I worked in a call center before. That was for 3 years. After that, I worked as a nurse also in the community. Nurse in the community. So nurse ako sa barangay. Then after that, I was not renewed. So hindi na renew yung contract ko sa DOH. So I'm still waiting if ever they will renew us. Renew our contract. So yun. For now, I'm working as a nurse. I just got hired in St. Vincent General Hospital. From Cathy's vlog. Basta taga Cebu, maayo kaayo ma-English. True yan. Siguro. I am becoming, wow, bless your heart. Blessed talaga. Feel ko hindi naman siguro. Sakto lang. May nurses aid din ba dyan sa mga hospitals sa Pinas? Yes, meron. Yung Love your accent from Laika Lorena. We do have nurses here in the Philippines. I am becoming, where are you located right now? Laika Lorena, I love your accent. Thank you. Where are you located right now, Laika? Sorry. The connection got lost for a while. I am becoming nasa US ako. Mga nurses kasi dito, walang kaartihan. Nagpupunas ng pangapuwet. Yeah. Ganun talaga. Loading. Yeah, loading. I am becoming, wow, congrats. Monetized ka na pala. Fully watched your bagoong with pork. This looks yummy. Tapos na lahat doon. From GB Mix Vlogs. Yes. Hello, GB Mix Vlogs. Kamusta? Salamat. I'm glad that you guys are getting along here. Mga hindi pa friends, mag-friends dyan, hindi pa magkadikit. So, dikitan nyo na yung isa't isa. Don't forget to leave a legit comment. Make sure that your comment will count. No spam words, okay? And make sure also to watch at least 2 to 3 minutes of the videos. That way you can relate while you're writing your comments. Boss Aldin. Okay na. Yes, thank you, Boss Aldin, for checking it out for me. Check it mamaya. GB Mix Vlogs. Yes, very good. I'm not yet monetized because my watch hours is kulelat. Wala pa yung watch hours ko. Hindi pa nga nakakalahati. Hindi pa nga naka 1/4. And it's still my, I believe, 4th or 5th month. I started December, January, February, March, April. 4th month being active in YouTube. Itong si Boss Aldin, monetized na din yan. Si I am becoming, sino pa ba yun, ha? Marami nang na-monetize na mga taga-Saudi yata. Post correct ka dyan, kahit short message lang, basta related sa video. Yes, tama. Para hindi mabasura. At na ako guys, 8:20 na. Subukan mag-church. Okay, sige. Thank you. I am becoming. Mag-post ka kasi tumatakbong hubad. Ayoko mag-post na tumatakbong hubad. Ayoko. Nakahiya. Talaga si Boss Aldin. Ikaw, Jude, Boss Aldin. Muko pa dagan-dagan nun naghubo. Not my thing. Thank you sa itong 13 thumbs ups. I really appreciate it. Again, happy Easter guys sa bago. Sa mga kakarating lang. Christ has risen. I will just be here. If you have any questions, feel free to throw them to me so I can try to answer them. Kanta host. Musta ang Cebu from Boss Aldin? Okay man. Unsay bag-o nanay gitukod nga Ayala sa IT Park. So far mo na ako naibawan ay bag-o. Kapit na siya mahuman actually. Na siya sa tunga sa IT Park. Then daghan na pog bus transit. Don GB Mix vlogs, yes, from Kathy's vlog. Done na daw. Kaya Aldin, tagag bag-o eh. Ano sa baka last naka-uli diri sa Cebu? Kathy's vlog, taga-diin gali ka. Sa inyo ha? Guys, 9 more minutes and I'm gonna be ending this live stream. Gilimit lang na ako og 1 hour para dili kaayo mo ma-bored. Hindi ba ko tabian. Laika Lorena. Christoy's Travel, pila na imong age? Akong edad kay kuan. Basta nasulod pa siya sa unsay nga ni? Nasulod pa siya sa kalendaryo. Pero kung February, usahay wala siya. Usahay na siya sa February. Usahay wala sa dyan sa February. Mao na akong edad. Oo, di ay. Zamboanga naka. Ako maabot kong Mandawi sa una. Laagan sa day ni si Cathy. Laagan. Di man halata ba? Dili tantong halata. Salamat. I'll take that as a compliment. Guys, 6 more minutes. Dili man halata ba? From Amira Sara, hello po, BG lang po. Ako host, thumbs up na din. Thank you. Thank you sa 15 thumbs up. If you're not yet friends with Amira, please go to her channel. Boss Aldin says, host, buhi pa ang Larshan. Oh, buhi pa man ang Larshan. Naapay Larshan. Pero di na kaayo siya uso kay daghan namang mga barbecue stations good. Ano yung mas daghan like Yakski, Cathy's Vlog, yeah Babyface. Babyface. Cathy's Vlog na ade kadere from Laika Larena. Cathy's Vlog says yes, Laika Larena na daw siya dere. Parihas mong duha na dere. Kay wala man mo didto na mo dere. Ayaw na lang magkatawa kay walay akong joke. Sa syudad sa ay tinaa pa. Syudad Sugbo Merkado imong gimin. Sugbo Merkado naapay Sugbo Merkado. Daghan murag puwerte jud ning Bisaya magbinuang ba. Sige na lang usahay ra. Sugbo Merkado di ay Sugbo Merkado. Naa paghihapon. Kabalo jud. Kabalo jud. Naaraman ko diri. Wala man ko ning hawa but si basta mga Bisaya malipayon mubo org kalipay. Unsay bag-o sa Ayala? Na Uniqlo ang Ayala. Nag-start lang siya last year December man siguro, November ba to? Hello Ate Marvy. Hello brother. Host pa shout out naman sa ating upcoming playlist tour pa premiere. Oo nga. Merong si Ate Marvy puntahan nyo yung bahay ni Ate Marvy. Parang hindi ko pa yun napanood pero nag-pop up sa notifications ko. Puntahan nyo yung bahay niya. Check out nyo yung video na yun. Cathy's Vlog, true. That's Marvy Tangke. Puntahan nyo yung... Thank you kayo. Guys, 2 more minutes and I'm gonna end this live stream. Kung sino man yung mag LLS mamaya, 5 entries mechanics host. Yes, may 5 entries mechanics yon. Puntahan nyo yung video ni Ate Marvy, nandun lahat. Nice. I really appreciate your time being here, sa mga nagstay, sa mga nagbigay ng mga thumbs up dyan. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time and your effort in staying with me for 1 hour. And hope we stay connected. And yun. And stay friends forever here, not just here in YouTube but also soon if magkita man tayo somewhere, if we bump to each other somewhere. Yes, si GB Mix Vlogs din, may paraffle, puntahan nyo yung bahay niya. Nandun yung tawag doon, yung mga mechanics ng kanyang paraffle. Hanapin nyo yung video na nakalimutan ko yung title, basta yun. Kaya GB Mix Vlogs, puntahan nyo yung bahay niya. And I'm ending this live stream with bye guys. Thank you so much. Support jud si Aldin nako. Thank you. Let's support each other. Isa naman yung goal natin. Okay? Sige, bye. Thank you.